Have you ever woken up feeling drained, dizzy, or just not quite yourself? What if a simple morning ritual could transform your energy levels, improve your digestion, and enhance your overall well-being? Let's explore a practice that has made a significant difference in many lives. Introducing the morning elixir, a glass of lemon water with a pinch of sea salt. It might sound simple, but this combination packs a punch of health benefits that can set the tone for your entire day. After hours of sleep, our bodies are naturally dehydrated. Drinking plain water is essential, but without electrolytes, it can dilute the sodium in our system, potentially leading to symptoms like dizziness or fatigue. By adding a pinch of sea salt to your lemon water, you help maintain electrolyte balance, supporting optimal blood volume and circulation. Cortisol, our primary stress hormone, peaks in the early morning. Elevated cortisol can lead to feelings of anxiety and disrupt blood sugar levels. Sodium intake has been shown to modulate cortisol levels, promoting a calmer start to your day and aiding in better energy regulation. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports immune function and skin health. The citric acid in lemons can aid in preventing kidney stones by increasing urinary citrate levels, which bind to calcium and help prevent stone formation. Additionally, lemon juice can assist in reducing uric acid levels, potentially alleviating gout symptoms. The combination of lemon and salt stimulates digestive enzymes, enhancing nutrient absorption and promoting a healthy gut. This can lead to improved digestion and reduce bloating. For an added boost, consider blending a whole organic lemon, including the peel, to extract bioflavonoids that support overall health. If the taste is too tart, a few drops of stevia can sweeten the drink without adding sugar. Incorporating a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar can further aid digestion and provide additional health benefits. While lemon water is beneficial, its acidity can erode tooth enamel over time. To protect your teeth, drink the elixir through a straw and rinse your mouth with plain water afterward. Meet Sarah, a 45-year-old teacher who struggled with morning fatigue and digestive issues. After incorporating this lemon salt water ritual into her daily routine, she noticed increased energy, improved digestion, and a brighter mood throughout the day. Sometimes, the simplest changes can have the most profound effects. Starting your day with lemon water and a pinch of sea salt might just be the game changer you've been seeking. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights. Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to Healthy Natural Glow for more real health solutions, not gimmicks.